Welcome to our tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to add Espressif extension to your Visual Studio Code and set up your environment for configuring u-blox's Explorer kit. The Nina module inside the kit is based on an ESP32 chip by Espressif. u-blox's applications are developed based on the framework version 4.4.2, and in order to get the offline installer, you can use the link provided in the description. To find the right version, you need to scroll down and search for the right version. And after finding it, please download the offline installer. Run the executable and select your preferred language. Accept the terms and select the installation path. Important point here is that keep in mind that the installation path of the framework and its tools should not be longer than 90 characters. We recommend to keep it simple as it is here by default. Here you can see a list of the tools and drivers that will be installed. Make sure that you have full installation selected here and click install. When the installation finishes, you can run the framework to develop your application in a configured PowerShell or command prompt environment. In order to add the extension to your VS Code, click on the extensions and search for Espressif. After finding it, click install. Then click on the added extension and wait for the configuration to be done. Then go to the View, open Command Palette and search for configure ESP extension and open the window. Then choose Use existing setup and select the framework that you have just installed offline. It may take a while to configure the extension for all VS Code instances that will be opened from now on, and after you have seen this message, your extension is configured correctly. If you have installed the framework and its tools successfully, but you're not able to find the existing setup in the ESP configure extension panel, you need to configure the user settings manually. Go to the View, open Command Palette, and search for Preferences, open User Settings, and choose the JSON file. Here you can see a list of paths that Espressif will use to have access to its tools. If you have installed Espressif in C, as I did in this tutorial, then you can simply use the content of this JSON file, as you can see here. For your convenience, I will provide a copy in the description as well. Thank you for watching our tutorial.